What's up guys, welcome to the first tutorial on my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to start game streaming on YouTube for absolutely free. So without wasting any time, let's begin. So you have to download a software known as OBS. You can either download it by following me, or you can even go to the link in the description. Click on Windows or whatever software you have, then it will automatically start. As I have already downloaded it, I am not going to download it again. So here it is. Double click on it and open it. So first you have to add a scene. Just right click and add. As I have already added a thing, so I'm going to remove the second one. So now go to settings and you just have to set some basic settings. I'm selecting English language and dark theme, and there are some other settings. Now the most important thing, go to stream and select the service on a platform on which you are streaming. I'm going to select YouTube, and now you have to put your YouTube account stream key. To get the stream key, you have to open YouTube, go to Creator Studio, and then just click on live streaming. Now drag all the way down and you'll see your channel stream key. Never ever reveal this stream key to anyone else. Just paste it here and just click OK. You can also set some other settings. You can even change the video resolution of your video. I'm leaving it, then just press OK. So the next thing you have to do is to add a source. Right click and then add. You can even add your camera, your microphone as well. I'm going to select display, and here it is. Now you can stream whatever is on your display. So the next thing you have to do is press OK and just click start streaming, and it will automatically start streaming, and it is connected to your YouTube. Open your browser and see. Yeah, here it is, live. Now you have to stream. You are going to stream live. The most important thing about streaming is that you must have a very good internet connection. Your upload speed must be almost 2 MB per second, otherwise you can't stream well and your viewers will not get the best result. And you can also set some basic information about which topic are you streaming. Keep in mind that always set these settings before you stream, and it will help your viewers. You can also set your super chat as well. That's all from today, and that's how you can easily stream on YouTube. If you have any question regarding this video, let me know in the comment box. And if you have any other video suggestion or any how-to tutorials, whatever, I'm here for you, and let me know in the comment box. So that's all from today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.